Listen closely. A woman doesn't fall for a man because of his looks, his money, or his smooth words. She falls for how he makes her feel, the way he carries himself, the calm in his eyes when the world goes loud, the mystery that lingers when he walks away. Most men try to impress, but the rare few, they impact. And once you become that man, she won't just like you, she'll feel addicted to you. Let's talk about the 3 beautiful behaviors that make her addicted to your presence, your energy, and your silence. Number 1, the art of unavailable presence. You ever notice how a woman gets more curious about a man right when he stops trying too hard? It's not because she suddenly realized he's amazing. It's because his energy shifted. See, most guys think giving more attention keeps a woman interested. They text constantly. They respond instantly. They say yes to every plan. They think being available proves they care. But in reality, it does the opposite. It kills the mystery. A woman's mind doesn't crave comfort. It craves curiosity. She wants to feel that little uncertainty that makes her heart skip. The same way you can't stop checking your phone after sending a risky text, that's what she feels when she can't fully predict you. So here's the truth. Presence is powerful, but too much of it loses its meaning. The real art lies in being unavailable with purpose. When you're with her, you're present, not half there, not distracted. You look at her when she talks. You listen like her words matter. You make her feel like she's the only one in the room. That moment sticks to her like perfume. But after that, disappear, not out of arrogance, not as a tactic, but because you have things to do, a mission, a life that doesn't orbit around her. You go to the gym, you meet your friends, you grind in silence. She'll start noticing the gaps. She'll think, why hasn't he texted? She'll remember your tone, your calm, your smile, and that silence will echo louder than your presence ever did. That's where the addiction begins. But let's make one thing clear. Your absence must have substance. You can't just sit home doing nothing and call it mystery. That's laziness. You create addiction when your absence carries weight, when your life is visibly full, alive, meaningful. When she sees that you don't need her for validation, something shifts. You become the man she wants to earn time with, because every moment with you feels like a gift, not a guarantee. And that's where most men fail. They give too much too soon. They flood her with attention before she's emotionally invested. But women don't fall for access. They fall for energy. When she realizes that your attention isn't something she can demand, she starts valuing it. And that's when her curiosity turns into emotional pull. Because now you're not just another guy on her phone. You're the one she thinks about at night. The one who's busy, but still finds time for her. The one whose silence feels louder than everyone else's words. That's the art of unavailable presence. Not ghosting, not playing hard to get, just being so focused on your purpose that your time feels sacred. And when she feels that, she won't just want your presence, she'll crave it. Behavior number 2, the calm challenge. Let me tell you something about attraction most men don't get. Being nice isn't enough. You can't smile your way into a woman's heart. Women don't fall for agreeable men. They fall for men who make them feel something. A spark, a little tension, a little push and pull that wakes her up emotionally. See, a woman's emotional attraction thrives on challenge, not conflict, but contrast. She doesn't want a man who argues just to win, but one who stands firm in who he is. So when she says something you don't agree with, don't nod just to keep peace. Pause, look at her, say, I see that differently. Not with ego, but with calm. That's where power sits, in calm disagreement, because what she feels in that moment is respect. You're showing her that your emotions don't need her approval to stay steady. You're not trying to impress, you're expressing. Most men are terrified of losing a woman's approval, so they turn into yes men. They laugh too easily, agree too fast, and lose their own identity in the process. And when that happens, the attraction fades. Women respect men who can challenge them emotionally, not by arguing, but by creating depth. When you tease her playfully, when you make her think twice, when you don't bend to every whim, she feels stimulated. That's emotional polarity. It's what creates chemistry that lasts. When you can hold your ground without tension, when you can be assertive without being aggressive, she starts seeing you differently. You're not predictable. You're not afraid. You're real. Here's what happens. She'll test you. She'll push your buttons. She'll say something just to see how you react. And when you respond with calm energy instead of frustration, she feels something deep: security, respect, curiosity, because that calmness tells her this man doesn't lose himself trying to please me. That's the energy women find irresistible. And here's the hidden truth. Challenge creates space for admiration. When you're always agreeable, she can't admire you. But when you stand for something, when you have principles, when you can say no without guilt, she feels safe. Because a man who can hold boundaries can also hold her emotions. So next time you want to connect deeper, don't aim to impress. Aim to inspire respect. She doesn't want a man who worships her. She wants one she can look up to. And that comes from calm challenge. Not shouting, not ego, just quiet, confident firmness. The kind of energy that says, I care about you, but I won't lose myself for you. That's the behavior that makes her addicted. Not to your looks, not to your charm, but to how she feels when she's around you. Balanced, grounded, safe, and a little excited, because she never quite knows what you'll say next. Behavior number 3. Controlled vulnerability. Now let's talk about the most misunderstood trait in men: vulnerability. A lot of guys either show too little or way too much. One hides behind silence, afraid to open up. The other overshares, thinking honesty will fast-track connection. Both fail, because true vulnerability isn't about spilling your emotions. It's about mastering them. Controlled vulnerability is power. It's letting her see pieces of your truth, but only when it feels real. Not forced, not dramatic, just honest. Let's say you're talking about your goals. Instead of bragging, you share what drives you, the nights you doubted yourself, the times you failed but kept going. You let her see your strength through your scars. That's intimacy. That's real connection. When you open up in moderation, she feels trusted. She feels special, because now she's seeing a version of you the world doesn't get. But when you open too fast, it kills the attraction. She starts feeling responsible for your emotions. And the moment she feels like she needs to fix you, she stops desiring you. So you give her little pieces at a time: a story from your past, a glimpse of your heart, moments that show her who you are without dumping your entire soul on her lap. You stay composed, grounded. That's what creates mystery, because now she's not sure what else lies beneath the surface. She starts craving to know more. That's the sweet spot between being emotionally distant and emotionally messy. A man who hides everything feels cold. A man who shares everything feels heavy. But a man who reveals just enough, he feels real. And that's the kind of man she gets addicted to, because when she's with you, she feels two things at once: safety and curiosity. She feels calm in your presence, but also drawn to understand you deeper. Controlled vulnerability says, I'm strong enough to share my truth, but stable enough to carry it myself. That's attractive. That's masculine. That's rare. And when you do it right, she doesn't just fall for your confidence, she falls for your humanity. She starts to see you as a whole person, strong, grounded, but still human. And that's the kind of man women don't walk away from, because every time she gets a glimpse of your inner world, she feels chosen. And the more she feels chosen, the deeper she falls. That's not just attraction, that's emotional addiction. The truth about addiction: let's piece it together. Unavailable presence makes her curious. Calm challenge makes her respect you. Controlled vulnerability makes her feel you. Together, they create emotional addiction, the kind that keeps her thinking about you long after you've left the room, the kind that makes her check her phone, replay your words, and wonder, who is this man? But listen, none of this works if it's fake. You can't pretend to have a life just to look busy. You can't fake standards. You can't force vulnerability. You have to become it. You have to build the kind of inner world that naturally radiates mystery, depth, and calm. Because when you do, she won't just be attracted to you, she'll be emotionally addicted to your presence. And that, right there, is the difference between a man she forgets and a man she'll never get over. If this hits something inside you, comment the word addicted below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're not just learning how to attract women here, we're learning how to become the kind of man who doesn't chase love. He attracts it.